show y'all something special that I'm working on. I mentioned it in my last video and I want to show it to you again. I'm almost finished with it. So I'm going to take the camera to my workstation and I'm going to show you what I'm working on. I want to show you what I'm working on here. This is the Four Seasons Sparkle. I actually bought this at Mary Maxim. I'm not sponsored, of course, but I wanted to show this to you. This is a diamond painting, and I'm going to get down here where you can see the sparkle on this. This is so beautiful. Let me get down here right on it. That's some great focus on this iPhone. This is the round, actually the round drills they call them. These are some special ones right here that are supposed to sparkle, but they're hard to see. I want to get this over here where you can see it. These are separate little resin pieces, and here's one right here. Let me get it on my finger. This is what it looks like. This tiny little thing. Let me get it to where it'll focus. And you can kind of see that. So these are round drills, they're called. And here's a picture of some that I spilled. So you can see them on my table. But you actually take a little pin and you touch them to a glue canvas, and there's glue underneath the tree, but not here. This is a background that's been printed on by the company, and I plan to make a video about this. This has been so much fun, and I'm going to take this up as a hobby. I know that I have a lot of hobbies, but this is a fun hobby that most anyone can do. This is not a skill that you have to acquire over a long period of time like crochet and knitting. This is a skill that you can actually acquire after you've done one or two or three or four of these paintings. You'll get a really fast skill at putting these drills on the canvas, and I just love this. This is a beautiful one. This is the piece that I haven't finished yet, and I still have this under plastic. And see, there's some sticky. See, that's sticky right there. And this is the piece that I have not finished yet, but I have finished these three. And I'll get a picture of the whole thing here. Let me get out here where you can see it. Almost right there. Isn't that beautiful? And I'm planning to frame this. I really do think that framing this would make it very, very special for me, because it's the first diamond painting that I've ever done. And I think I selected a good one. I really like this. It's got lots of colors, 37 colors in this particular painting. And it means something. There are the spring, summer, fall, and winter trees. And I just really think it's beautiful. Again, I ordered this from Mary Maxim. She has lots of different diamond dot pictures. And I'm going to concentrate on very classic art, some whimsical art like this. There are lots of other kinds of art, but those are the ones that I want to concentrate on. So this is my first attempt at diamond painting. It turned out very, very well. The lines are straight because I spent a lot of time making sure they were straight. And over time you learn to just put the drills in there, or the diamond dots in there straight, and it's not difficult to do. And I know I always say that, but I really mean that about this. This is something that you can do, your husband can do, your teenagers can do. I wouldn't give it to children to do too much, but I think it's a wonderful hobby. And this way you can do something artistic and beautiful. Put it up on your wall and enjoy it in your home. I just think it's a great hobby. And all of a sudden it's gotten really trendy and hot as a hobby. So there are lots of companies that produce these paintings, and I'm going to be looking at those. And I plan to do some videos about this, but I just wanted to introduce my crochet followers about this and let you see what's available out there. It's a fun hobby to do. So be looking for that video. I'll tell you when it comes out. I'll send a notification out and you'll know when the video comes out. And I'll be doing a giveaway the first week or two because I'm expecting a diamond painting from a company who wanted me to open it on air. They wanted me to do a video about it and to work on it, and to also have a giveaway of a really nice diamond painting kit. So I'll let you know when that happens.